take a look here now at the features and applications section of the Drive and Dock settings within the admin console. Let's go ahead and open this up here. And I'm going to bring your attention to a couple things here. One that I really want to focus on here is the add-ons here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up here. So what this allows teachers to do is if when they are working in Google Docs or Google Sheets or Google Slides, all of those frequently used apps have the ability for teachers to add add-ons. Add-ons are like little third-party apps that approved by Google that allow additional functionality for teachers to 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 really make their workflow a lot better, and to allow them to be able to install their own add-ons from the add-on store. You'd come over here and make sure that this box is checked. So let me go ahead and take a look at what this looks like from the teacher end. I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Docs here. So again, this is also available in Sheets and Slides as well. Let's go take a look at Docs here. So when I come over here to, it says extensions, we have add-ons. I go here to get add-ons. As a teacher, I can come here and open up this little store where I can find a lot of really cool little these third-party apps here that really make my my workflow a lot better, really improve my ability to word process. So that's what that looks like on the teacher end. So let's take a look at why you may want to do this. So I have a couple here that I've on this account that I use. One called Close It, where I can write a story and I can take out certain words that kids would have to fill in the blank. It's a pretty cool activity. A very useful one here is the Docs Paragraph Translate. I'll show you what this looks like here in a second. So this is something that a teacher could would have, if they were in my domain, they have the permission to add. And these are all things that you could add. You can do yourself from the admin console. But what this setting does allows the teachers to kind of pick and choose themselves. So according to whatever your policies are, if you are allowed to give teachers permission to do this, this is where you would go. So for example here, this is an example of one of my favorite add-ons. So if I were just to type a sentence here, Jack and Jill went up the hill. So what I can do, if I'm working with English learners, I can then highlight this text, and I want to help with their English language development. If I click on translate here, I have it set up where it translates automatically to Spanish. And then I click where I want this to be. So if I want to do side-by-side translation, insert doc, and right there I have instant translation of text to really help with my English learners. So this is just a real-world example of how a teacher, if they have the permission and ability to add an add-on, this is just one of the functionalities that a teacher may find useful if you want to give teachers a permission to be able to search for whatever add-ons will work best for them.